Even this one is this little strip on the top. But I got a trick for that. This one should come out no problem. These ones are stripped. They might have to be drilled out. The first one out.
This is how it looks like.
Violence fixes everything.
Sometimes you need
See, this is the one that is stuck.
stuck. What could be the reason that it's stuck?
Varnish.
Sorry?
Varnish. Steel varnish. It just gets stuck. Because it's been sitting in frames.
So these are the needles that you were talking about, right?
Yeah. Yeah, you see all the build up?
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah. See, they come out.
What are these?
These are your float fuels. So when your bowls fill with fuel, so it doesn't flood. Yeah, that one's in there. This stops it.
I always tell myself it's too late or something like that.
That's your float. You can see how it's stuck. Plastic. What's your float again? Not your float. A lot of time you can just undo it with them separately.
Or do you want this?
It's been sitting.
Yep.
It's just weird that it ran like what, 4-ish years ago.
Yeah. Actually, about like couple years ago.
Yeah, which is just to me this looks like a bike that's been sitting for like a decade.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, it's not been taken care of. Maybe
Oh
that's
my
why.
God.
Yeah. Maybe that's why.
It's drill them out and hope you can get them out.
Oh.
If not, you're buying new housing. Thankfully though, there's like a lot of half decent reproductions these days. But what I do is I usually don't use their internals. I just use the housing and the body.
Okay.
And I buy quality internals. Take this out so I don't bend it.
It's not supposed to be that hard to fucking
Nope.
wear this screw, right?
Nope. Somebody really gave it to her. I'm just like very like just working it back and forth a little bit to see if it'll just break free.
2,000 years later.
We might have to.
There was no way that I could have done this. I could have done this. All these parts are
It's okay.
Oh,
Familiar? That's pretty much it for brass pieces that can come out,
Okay.
except for these ones. I got it.